Welcome to your channel name, where we unlock the science of unstoppable you. I'm your AI voice name, and today, we're diving into 10 psychology hacks to explode your confidence overnight. These aren't fluffy tips, they're proven by experts like Amy Cuddy and Carol Dweck. Number 5 will shock you. Hit like if you're ready to level up, and subscribe for weekly mind blowers. Let's jump in. Hack 1, Power Posing. Stand like Superman, chest out, hands on hips for 2 minutes. Harvard studies show it spikes testosterone and drops stress hormones by 25%. Do it before meetings, feel the shift instantly. Hack 2, the Gratitude Flip. Ditch negative self-talk. Each morning, list 3 wins, no matter how small, like nailing that email. UC Berkeley research says this rewires your brain for positivity in 21 days. Your confidence? Through the roof. Hack 3, Mirror Affirmations. Face the mirror, say, I am capable and worthy, eye contact, 5 times daily. A Journal of Personality study found it boosts self-esteem by 40% in weeks. Sounds cheesy? It works, science says so. Hack 4, Failure Reframing. See flops as data, not defeats. Ask, what did I learn? Dweck's growth mindset research proves this turns setbacks into superpowers. Next time you stumble, flip it, watch confidence. Or Hack 5, the Social Proof Hack. You're not alone, recall a time someone believed in you. Or, join online communities sharing wins. Bandura's self-efficacy theory shows borrowed belief builds your own fast. Mind blown yet? Like if yes. Hack 6, Breath Reset. Inhale 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4, repeat 5 times when doubt hits. Navy SEALs use it. Yale research says it calms your nervous system, freeing mental space for bold moves. Hack 7, Visualization Power. Close eyes, vividly imagine acing that goal, details, feelings, cheers. Olympic athletes swear by it. UCLA brain scans show it activates the same paths as real success. Hack 8, Boundary Setting. Say no to energy vampires politely but firmly. A Psychology Today study links strong boundaries to 30% higher self-respect. Practice, thanks, but I can't commit now. Liberating. Hack 9, Progress Tracking. Log daily wins in a journal or app. Seeing streaks? Dopamine floods your brain, per Duke habit experts. Small habits compound, your confidence becomes unbreakable. Hack 10, Kindness Chain. Compliment one person daily, genuinely. Reciprocity kicks in, others lift you back, and you feel powerful. Harvard's happiness studies confirm, givers gain massive self-boost. There you have it, 10 hacks to own your confidence like never before. Which one's calling you? Comment below, tell me hack number whatever, and why. If this fired you up, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell for more. Share with one person who needs this today. You've got this, go crush it. See you next time.